This module is going to be the easiest module in all of your years. This is Dr. Nerdy here, and today basically we are discussing another module guidelines, which is renal module guidelines, specifically for third year. To obtain the 80% marks in actually your module guidelines examinations, modular examinations, the first subject is going to be, of course, pathology, which you have to focus more on third year and in fourth year and again in fifth year. So the first book I'm going to suggest is, of course, the Lifesaver Pathology, that is Pathoma. You have to do it. You just have 2 chapters for it. It's going to be the kidney, and then you have the male genital system. That's it. Up till urethra, you do not have to go into much detail for that. Watch all those videos for Pathoma, and then after that, you know the drill that you guys need to do basis. I'm not getting basis in my university for shooting this video because basis बहुत बड़ी है and I'm 5th year, so I don't want it right now. So basis you have to do every single line and just try to focus more on diagrams, because that is proven कि DAO examinations or government university examinations, Sindh Medical University, basically they love to give. Okay, one more tip about the pathology, that please cover your Pathoma first, and then if you have time, because this is the easy module and this is little time taking, I would suggest you guys go for your, what should I say, BNB videos. They are so good. Right now I'm studying them and they are literally the best in epitome. So if you're gonna do that, do it nicely. So the other subject you need to cover for your 80% coverage of your module examination is gonna be Davidson medicine. Now for me, I did Irfan Masood, but I want you guys to do Davidson because kidney chapter is very small in Davidson. 5th year, 4th year, you have to do Davidson. It's better to give it a read, highlight the important points, because you would have a lot of time in this module, and then after that just try to read Irfan Masood, which is approximately it will take just half an hour or 1 hour if your concepts are clear by both and beyond, Pathoma, basis, then Davidson, and then Irfan Masood, and it will do a lot of good work for you. And that's it. Once you're done, jot down the points from Davidson into the Irfan Masood book, ऊपर से sticky notes पर, because they're going to help you a lot in your semester examinations and your annual examinations at the end of the day. After we are done for the 80% in the major coverage of our module examination, now we are on the minor subjects and the minimum coverage things. So in pharmacology, you just have to do only 1 chapter, that's it. And for that, I'll of course suggest not to do Lippincott, not to do Kaizen. It's just the advertisement of the books here. You have to do the Kaplan 2010 key videos, just 1 video, and will change your life forever. Then you have to go for the first aid, and then you have to go for the slides. That's it. All those extra points from the slides, you can add them on your first aid and they will do your work. That's it. If you are still not satisfied because slides में बहुत कुछ extra videos, just 1 video and will change your life forever. Then you have to go for the first aid, and then you have to go for the slides. That's it. All those extra points from the slides, you can add them on your first aid and they will do your work. That's it. If you are still not satisfied because slides में बहुत कुछ extra होता है, if still you are not satisfied, you want to do the pharmacokinetics जो long term में इतने काम नहीं आते, you can always opt for Katzen because that's the short one, or the Lippincott according to your choice. Hi everyone, so for completing PEDS for this renal module, what you have to do is that there is just 1 unit, and if you have time, do the whole unit. If you do not have time, what you have to do is what I did, and it was super duper easy way. You just have to do the easiest thing, which is actually the most important one, the nephrotic syndrome, and then the other one was the nephritic syndrome. That's it. And for others, you have to do the slides. That's it. So for the surgery, you have 2 options, do belly and love or this Irfan Masood, but it is extremely important. There's a whole 1 unit for nephrology, and I would suggest you do it from the Irfan Masood thing. Then there is another sir, which I'm going to tell you in the description box. It is somebody Indian who is Rajiv Rajan Gupta, who is famous for his surgery videos. So if you are really interested into watching the videos, you can, because this is the one thing I found out recently. There is a whole chapter and a whole unit, this one, the kidney and the ureter, the urinary bladder. You have to do the whole thing according to the syllabus, or according to the Khizr syllabus you can watch, or according to the timetable. You have to match the topics you are doing and just do it together. The last subjects you need to cover at the end of every subject is, or every module examinations is, you need to do first aid, because what first aid do, I'm going to show you. first aid is going to make you from that thing to this thing. First aid you have to do for every single examination, चाहे आपके पेपर में वो चीज़ आए या नहीं आए, first aid से आपको रिवीजन करनी है, ठीक है जी, because you need to reach there at the end of the day. And then you have to do, of course, your past papers, and of course they will help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave down and drop your comments below how did you like my video.